Gentlemen, are you unknowingly ruining your mature elegance by wearing flimsy, deeply embarrassing spring garments? Far too many older men completely destroy their masculine authority the moment the weather warms up, desperately relying on terribly thin fabrics and loudly branded athletic wear. This aggressively cheap aesthetic violently ages your profile and loudly screams pure amateurism. Today, we are unlocking the ultimate sartorial blueprint to flawlessly elevate your seasonal wardrobe and effortlessly project immense worldly wealth. To continuously master this beautiful mature aesthetic, please subscribe to the 40+ Style Guide. One. The architectural overshirt solution. Older men frequently ruin their spring aesthetics by stubbornly wearing terribly thin, aggressively sheer button-down shirts that loudly broadcast pure cheapness. These flimsy garments completely destroy your masculine proportions while failing to provide necessary seasonal warmth. The absolute ultimate sartorial fix heavily relies on embracing a spectacularly rich dusty cedar cotton linen overshirt. This phenomenally dense, brilliantly unbranded layer naturally creates massive architectural rigidity, completely eliminating any sloppy draping. Coordinating this deeply elegant outerwear with perfectly tailored slate gray tailored chinos establishes an astoundingly handsome, fiercely commanding urban contrast. This impeccably executed ensemble permanently ensures you unconditionally project pure, uncompromising old money wealth effortlessly today, my friends. Two. The matte suede elevation. Men absolutely ruin their sophisticated profile by wearing highly reflective, aggressively shiny nylon windbreakers during early spring. These terrible synthetic garments violently scream pure amateurism and deeply cheapen your entire everyday aesthetic. The absolute finest upgrade completely involves embracing a phenomenally rich muted clay suede bomber jacket. This spectacularly matte, brilliantly textured outerwear organically absorbs natural light, providing immense architectural rigidity without looking heavily insulated. Matching this remarkably passionate piece with perfectly tailored dark navy gabardine trousers produces an astoundingly dynamic, fiercely authoritative classic contrast. This flawlessly executed outfit unconditionally guarantees you actively radiate pure, uncompromising old money wealth during any relaxed daytime visit effortlessly completely today. Three. The tailored linen trouser. Desperately clinging to heavily pocketed, terribly baggy cargo shorts the moment temperatures rise entirely destroys your mature masculine silhouette. These inherently sloppy garments violently drag down your lower half, heavily projecting a deeply confused, wildly immature aesthetic. To flawlessly reclaim your intensely sharp elegance, you absolutely must embrace beautifully constructed dark olive tailored linen trousers. This spectacularly breathable, heavily streamlined piece naturally elongates your older legs without trapping unwanted heat. Coordinating these miraculously crisp pants with a luxurious pale sand fine gauge polo establishes an astoundingly handsome, deeply cinematic earthy contrast. This impeccably orchestrated ensemble permanently ensures you unconditionally command immense worldly admiration very effortlessly today, completely perfectly. Four. The knitted t-shirt upgrade. Continuously wearing terribly faded, severely stretched graphic t-shirts loudly broadcasts pure sartorial laziness and violently ages your entire visual presentation during warm spring days. To beautifully elevate your everyday basics, you must completely abandon cheap cotton prints and embrace a deeply rich deep indigo knit t-shirt. This phenomenally structured, incredibly soft garment naturally hugs your older torso, delivering a breathtakingly sharp, fiercely intelligent profile without any heavy visual bulk. Partnering this exceptionally luxurious top with perfectly tailored crisp white denim jeans produces an astoundingly dynamic, fiercely authoritative casual contrast. This flawlessly executed outfit unconditionally guarantees you actively radiate pure, uncompromising old money luxury very effortlessly today, my friends. Five. The Merino zip-through shift. Men entirely destroy their sophisticated edge by constantly wearing brightly colored, heavily branded athletic pullovers outside the gym. These terribly chaotic garments instantly make you look like a deeply confused teenager, completely overpowering your refined presence. The absolute most transformative layering upgrade involves integrating a beautifully structured pale oatmeal merino zip-through. This miraculously clean, completely hardware minimalist piece brilliantly adds massive architectural elegance to your chest while maintaining supreme physical comfort. Matching this spectacularly crisp sweater with perfectly tailored dark espresso cotton chinos establishes an astoundingly handsome, heavily cinematic earthy contrast. This impeccably curated ensemble permanently ensures you unconditionally command absolute respect completely effortlessly right now today, my friends. Six. The dark lightweight denim base. Heavily relying on intensely faded, severely distressed light wash jeans entirely ruins your lower proportions, loudly screaming pure sartorial laziness during upscale spring gatherings. To flawlessly reclaim your intensely sharp masculine energy, you absolutely must embrace spectacularly stark dark charcoal lightweight denim. This phenomenally rich, completely unbranded trouser provides a beautifully dark visual anchor, naturally delivering a breathtakingly sleek, fiercely intelligent profile without trapping excess heat. Coordinating this remarkably solid foundation with a magnificently textured muted mustard polo establishes an astoundingly dynamic, fiercely commanding urban contrast. This flawlessly executed outfit unconditionally guarantees you actively radiate pure, uncompromising old money wealth completely effortlessly today, my deeply loyal distinguished friends. Seven. The Unconstructed Spring Mac. Desperately clinging to heavily insulated, terribly puffy nylon vests violently adds massive visual weight to your midsection, making you look intensely sloppy during unpredictable spring rain. To effortlessly project immense worldly wealth, you must immediately embrace a pale stone unconstructed Mac coat. The spectacularly clean, beautifully streamlined silhouette naturally elongates your older body, instantly projecting an incredibly lean, profoundly energetic profile completely effortlessly. Coordinating this remarkably crisp, highly versatile outerwear piece with perfectly tailored rich navy gabardine pants produces an astoundingly dynamic, fiercely sharp urban contrast. This impeccably orchestrated outfit permanently ensures you unconditionally radiate pure, uncompromising old money elegance completely effortlessly today, my highly distinguished friends. Eight. The textured camp collar alternative. Attempting to look stylish by violently throwing intensely clashing Hawaiian prints together entirely destroys your sophisticated composure and loudly screams cheap amateurism during warm weekends. You can effortlessly reinvent your casual game by confidently wearing a breathtakingly rugged deep rust-textured camp collar shirt. This spectacularly soft, profoundly cooling fabric naturally promotes massive airflow while projecting a wildly handsome, fiercely capable masculine profile. Partnering this incredibly sophisticated top with perfectly tailored light khaki linen trousers produces an astoundingly dynamic, remarkably clean aesthetic. This flawlessly executed outfit permanently ensures you unconditionally radiate pure, uncompromising energy and total old money wealth during a relaxed morning walk effortlessly today. Nine. The long-sleeve knit polo. Continuously relying on terribly stiff, heavily starched corporate dress shirts during the weekend completely ruins your relaxed body language, instantly projecting a deeply rigid, unapproachable aesthetic. To flawlessly achieve a deeply neat, intensely minimalist presence that naturally commands respect, you absolutely need beautifully elevated knitwear. Coordinating a phenomenally rich burnt orange long-sleeve knit polo with flawlessly tailored charcoal gray canvas pants establishes an astoundingly handsome, fiercely sharp casual contrast. This exceptionally curated, profoundly natural combination silently projects an incredibly intelligent, completely unbothered presence. This impeccably orchestrated ensemble permanently ensures you unconditionally radiate pure uncompromising old money elegance effortlessly right now today, my respected good friends, perfectly. The Suede Loafer Foundation. Men absolutely destroy their mature reputation by wearing intensely bulky military combat boots during mild spring afternoons, completely drowning their natural elegant lines. You can effortlessly reinvent your lower half by confidently wearing spectacularly crisp light tobacco suede loafers. This phenomenally modern, flawlessly engineered slip-on footwear brilliantly adds massive architectural elegance to perfectly tailored dark olive cotton trousers while maintaining supreme physical comfort. Matching this spectacularly sharp, deeply authoritative foundation produces an astoundingly dynamic, fiercely sharp urban contrast. This impeccably orchestrated ensemble permanently ensures you unconditionally command absolute respect and look overwhelmingly attractive during any relaxed weekend gathering completely effortlessly right today, my deeply loyal friends. The Unconstructed Soft Blazer. Wearing incredibly stiff corporate suit jackets during relaxed spring weekends violently ruins your elegant composure, heavily projecting a deeply rigid, wildly unapproachable aesthetic. True effortless wealth naturally relies on phenomenally soft, highly unstructured outerwear pieces. The absolute most transformative upgrade you can implement is utilizing a muted navy unconstructed blazer. This miraculously rich garment brilliantly provides massive architectural structure to your mature shoulders while perfectly maintaining an incredibly relaxed, beautifully streamlined profile. Coordinating this intensely luxurious piece with flawlessly tailored pale ivory gabardine pants establishes a breathtakingly dynamic earthy contrast. This flawlessly executed outfit permanently ensures you unconditionally project pure uncompromising old money elegance completely effortlessly today. The Minimalist Sneaker Approach. Desperately clinging to heavily branded, intensely dirty canvas sneakers entirely destroys your sophisticated lower proportions, violently clashing against your natural mature complexion. To flawlessly reclaim your intensely sharp masculine energy, you absolutely must embrace premium crisp white minimalist leather sneakers. The phenomenally smooth, highly polished surface perfectly complements perfectly tailored light wash straight leg denim, instantly delivering a breathtakingly sharp, fiercely intelligent profile without any heavy visual bulk. Coordinating this remarkably solid footwear with a deeply rugged olive green field jacket establishes an astoundingly handsome, heavily cinematic earthy contrast. This flawlessly executed outfit unconditionally guarantees you actively radiate pure uncompromising energy completely effortlessly right now today, my remarkably loyal friends. The Chunky Ribbed Cardigan. Older men frequently ruin their hot weather aesthetics by stubbornly wearing terribly thin, severely pilled synthetic sweaters that loudly broadcast pure cheapness. These flimsy garments completely destroy your masculine proportions while failing to provide necessary seasonal structure. The absolute ultimate sartorial fix heavily relies on embracing a spectacularly rich deep teal chunky ribbed cardigan. This phenomenally dense, brilliantly unbranded layer naturally creates massive architectural rigidity, completely eliminating any sloppy draping. Coordinating this deeply elegant outerwear piece with perfectly tailored pale stone tailored trousers establishes an astoundingly handsome, fiercely commanding urban contrast. This impeccably executed ensemble permanently ensures you unconditionally project uncompromising old money wealth effortlessly today perfectly. (14) The woven belt refinement. Men absolutely destroy their mature reputation by wearing intensely bulky, highly reflective designer logo belts that completely ruin their elegant poise. To instantly upgrade your spring attire, you must confidently embrace seamlessly integrated, beautifully understated accessories. Coordinating a phenomenally structured dark plum peak polo with impeccably tailored sand brown cotton chinos produces an astoundingly dynamic, fiercely authoritative classic contrast. Grounding this spectacularly crisp outfit with a completely unbranded dark brown woven leather belt flawlessly elongates your older torso, naturally projecting a breathtakingly sharp, fiercely intelligent profile without any heavy visual bulk. This impeccably orchestrated ensemble unconditionally guarantees you actively command total admiration completely effortlessly today right now, my distinguished friends. (15) The structured cotton shacket. Constantly wrapping yourself in heavily faded, intensely oversized lumberjack flannel shirts loudly broadcasts severe sartorial apathy and immediately ruins your elevated spring presentation. To flawlessly project a wonderfully youthful, highly refined aesthetic, you must completely embrace a meticulously structured muted sage green cotton shacket. This phenomenally dense, brilliantly breathable fabric spectacularly holds its shape, instantly granting your upper body massive architectural rigidity. Partnering this incredibly deep, beautifully cinematic jacket with properly tailored dark indigo tailored denim produces an astoundingly dynamic, deeply authoritative masculine contrast. This impeccably orchestrated combination permanently ensures you actively radiate pure uncompromising old money wealth during any upscale gathering completely effortlessly today right now, my incredibly loyal companions. Mastering these phenomenally refined combinations permanently ensures you will never look desperately cheap or aggressively sloppy ever again. By intentionally replacing flimsy, highly synthetic garments with beautifully textured layers and spectacular architectural silhouettes, you effortlessly project an uncompromising aura of pure worldly wealth. You inherently command immense respect while radiating fierce masculine authority during any beautiful daytime outing. Never let terrible fabric choices ruin your distinguished presence. To continuously master this beautiful art of mature seasonal elegance, please subscribe to the 40+ Style Guide.